Hi, so today let's talk about the voice commands of the Hero 6. Watch this video if you wanna know more about how to set it up, how it looks like in control environment opposed to how it looks like in real life scenario. So first of all, let's set it up. A small reminder here, in order to have wake on voice, you need to have your camera updated to the latest version, or at least version of 1.51. And let's see how it performs on the outside.
GoPro, take a photo. GoPro, take a photo. GoPro, take a photo. Alright, and right now let's see how it performs in the windy conditions. Right now I have the GoPro Hero 6 on El Grande and behind it is the Hero 4. And so let's see how it looks like in windy conditions when the camera is a little bit further away, and it should give you a basic idea how it should look like in real life. Alright, GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, turn on. GoPro, start recording. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, take a photo. GoPro, shoot burst. GoPro, video mode. GoPro, photo mode. GoPro, photo mode. GoPro, turn off. GoPro, turn off.
Now compare how responsive it is while indoor. GoPro, start recording. GoPro, highlight. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, take a photo. GoPro, shoot burst. GoPro, start time lapse. GoPro, stop time lapse. GoPro, turn off. GoPro, turn on. GoPro, bring pizza. So to summarize it all, I think that the voice commands are actually useful. I would say they work somewhere around 70 or 80% of the time, so actually most of the time, unless you are in some windy conditions where your camera simply doesn't pick up the voice. And so let me know what you think about it. Do you use them while using a GoPro? And like this video, give me a thumb up, subscribe to the channel if you like, and see you on the next one.